So if you're an aspiring content creator and you don't have any friends or family or anyone to help you take pictures and film your videos, lonely, you are so alone. I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you the accessories that would help you do this. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is this thing here. I don't think most people know that this exists, because when I discovered it, I said, this is tea. Especially if you make point of view videos. For example, I make beaded bags, and yeah, I need to film myself making it. So I can just put this on my neck and just put my phone like this. Yeah, so you see my phone is like this, and it can film whatever I'm doing, or up here, and it can film wherever I'm going. You can show things from your own point of view, especially if your hand is occupied. So if you're doing something with your hands, this thing will just film you while you're doing what you're doing. Tell me this is not genius. Tell me this is not bruh. This is good. And it can rotate to different angles, and it's stable, it doesn't fall off. Yeah, I think this is a simple but really useful tool, especially for vlogs, for DIY videos, showing people how to do things. You need something like this. By the way, I'll leave a link to everything I'm going to mention in the comment section and the description box if you're interested. The next one is this tracker, which I've reviewed on this channel before. I made a dedicated video on how to use it. And basically what this does is like a DJI on a budget. So it follows you, it tracks you and follows you. If you move, it moves along with you, so you don't really need anybody to be following you around. It turns 360, so even if you go round, the camera will also go round with you. And it works for dogs and cats as well. It's called a 360 object tracking holder. Let me show you how it looks like. This is exactly how it looks like. And see, it turns around. Now I'm the one doing it manually, but you can turn it on and connect it to your phone. I have an in-depth video on how to do that, and it will just follow you around while you're filming. Another one is this vlog screen. Now what this vlog screen does, let me show you how it looks like. So this is like a screen for your back camera. So if you film with your phone, everyone knows that the best quality is at the back, but you can't see yourself while you're filming, and that is where this vlog screen comes in. You just attach it to the back of your camera, and while you're filming, you're seeing yourself. So this is the camera, this is yourself. You're filming, you're seeing yourself. Genius. I have an in-depth tutorial as well on how to connect this to your phone and how to attach it to the back of your camera. It also comes with this remote control, which brings me to my next one. If you don't have this vlog screen, you can buy this remote control separately. This is to help you take pictures and videos from afar. So if your camera is afar, you can just click here if you connect it to your camera or your phone, and it will start taking videos and pictures of you. And if you want to stop, you click the button as well, so you don't have to be running to your camera. Now the last but not the least is this tripod. Now it's not just any tripod stand. You need the one that extends really long. Wow. This is some crazy shit. This is some massive shit right here. What the hell? Temu. Oh, Temu go. Temu. If I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky.
When I catch you, Ricky. When I catch you, Ricky.
But I will definitely not link this one because, yeah, but I don't know, it just broke. So I won't recommend this one, but just make sure you find the one that can film both YouTube and YouTube Shorts, YouTube and TikTok videos. Now I hope this video was helpful. Hello, my name is Jessica Okole, and over here I make videos about AI tech, content creation and business. So if you're interested in any of this for, make sure you click on the subscribe button, share this video to someone that would need this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.